our preview class of Around the World Fairy Tale Princess Ballet, all about ancient India.
Then you can go into the cave and find the tiger. Bring me the tiger and the gold coin is yours. Sneha knew the gold coin could buy her mother the things that she needed, so she helped push the large rock. Take it up and curtsy.
Thank you, Miss Malia.
Let's go to the other side. Up.
Oh, God.
And curtsy.
Thank you, Miss Malia.
Better even look good.
Around the princess cave, and we played with like tiny dolls.
And I loved how it gives them the discipline. We were talking about that with moms, and I appreciate the discipline that ballet gives them in the education she's getting with the classes. And then Kate, you get coloring sheets. You get to take this home, my princess.